Hello, sir. Hope you are doing well. This presentation is basically about my work-related journey. So let's just get started. So my name is Arun Joshi. I'm a third-year student studying computing with AI in Islington College. For my internship, I had the opportunity to work as an AI developer for Blue Fox Private Limited. The internship was from 17th September to 28th November 2024, which lasted for more than 60 working days. I think during the I think during this internship, I was able to gain hands-on experience in AI, especially LLMs and recommendation systems. I was able to develop 10 noticeable skills, among which 6 were soft skills and 4 were technical skills. Okay, so now talking about my technical skills, I was able to develop 4 key technical skills, which involved skills related to data processing, model development, and evaluation of the created models, right? So I was able to gain a solid understanding of the Torch framework and Hugging Face library, and sort of utilize it to build several projects such as content-based recommendation systems, RAG-based chatbots, image classification using CNNs, and fine-tuning LLMs. I was also able to work with various evaluation matrices, such as, for example, I was able to analyze the CNN's performance with matrices such as precision recalls, F1 scores, and so on. So now moving on to the other section. On the other section, so talking about my soft skills, I was able to develop 6 key soft skills. I worked closely with my team on the RAG chatbot project, coordinating tasks and sharing any debugging tips, which boosted our efficiency and taught me the value of collaboration. Right, so enhance my critical thinking skills. I made data-driven decisions, like selecting a certain model or tool over the other, such as selecting FAIS's index over the vector database for the chatbot. Right. Similarly, to improve my communication skill, I presented CNN results, like read the RAG chatbot discussion, and provided feedback on my team's LLM fine-tuning project as well. And to improve my time management, I created roadmaps for the RAG chatbot project, and divided tasks, ensuring timely delivery as well. Okay, so now moving on to the academic section, right? So I think the module that sort of supported my internship were definitely applied machine learning, software development, and calculus, right? So in software development, we were taught about the agile development, right? Time management and importance of version control by Rubinsa. And I think I was able to sort of utilize that knowledge very well throughout my internship, especially when I was leading the resume analyzer project, right? And similarly, in applied machine learning, we're basically taught about data processing, evaluation matrices, and building the ML models using scikit-learn. And I think that sort of helped me build quite a solid foundation for me when I was working with end-to-end projects. Right. So similarly, in calculus, we were taught about derivatives and integrations, which helped me, quickly grasp the concept of gradient descent and various optimization techniques that are frequently used to sort of enhance neural networks performance, right? So reflecting upon my technical journeys, right? So I would say initially I sort of struggled with justifying algorithm choices, for my model. So I started journaling the why questions daily, and so and delve deeper into the theory stuff, with my supervisor's guidance. And I also lacked systematic testing ways initially, and I adapted to using automated tools for quicker and flexible evaluation ways, right? And I also sort of struggled with writing the model and tuning the models properly, as I was sort of new to coding in PyTorch. But through the rigorous self studies, through documentation and YouTube, I was sort of able to improve on it as well. Yeah, I think throughout this internship, my technical skills grew quite a lot, right? And they helped me grow confident in coding and optimizing AI systems. So now reflecting upon my soft skills, I think I was able to improve upon them by quite a lot throughout my internship, as they had been, my main area of weakness. At first, I struggled with task divisions in the team project, as I never had led a team before, but I was sort of able to define clear roles and divide tasks and coordinate better, thanks to my supervisors and continuous iterative planning. Secondly, my early feedbacks, during discussions, lacked depth. So I was able to refine it, with peer discussions and supervisors' input as well. I also hesitated on making critical decisions, as I wouldn't normally ask the critical why questions, but diving deeper into the trade-offs, the trade-offs sort of helped me build my critical thinking skills as well. So yeah, overall, I think my soft skills definitely improved a lot, during this internship. So now talking about the challenges, I faced and how I overcame them, right? So I think I faced three major challenges, during this internship. The first challenge was definitely, understanding about the algorithm choices. I fixed that by, asking critical why questions, asking my supervisor for more deeper justification and, just diving deeper into the theory, right? And secondly, I had this, debugging a problem with LangChain, right? So I sort of overcame that by, just rewriting the whole pipeline manually, rather than relying on the pre-built templates, right? So thirdly, I think it was because of the fact that I was new to LLMs, so I struggled with evaluating LLMs, right? So to sort of fix that, I tested the LLM's performance on an eval dataset and used pre-built LLM eval testing methods, such as LM eval harness, right? Okay, to sum things up, I would say I was able to gain quite some expertise in Python and AI frameworks, like PyTorch, through doing end-to-end end project during this internship. Right, I also developed core soft skills, which always had been my which always had been an area where I was sort of looking forward to improve. And I am pretty much confident that I will likely pursue my career in AI, and I want to deepen my knowledge in advanced AI topics like computer visions and hybrid recommendation systems. So yeah. So finally, we have reached the end of our presentation. Here I have shown the evidence of each learning logs. So yeah, thank you, sir, for your time, and have a great day.